Life. It is a force of nature, a constant cycle of birth, growth, and renewal. Few things are as awe-inspiring as the creation of a new human life. From a single cell, a human being emerges, complete with all the complexities that make us unique. This extraordinary journey begins with a seemingly simple act, the union of a sperm and an egg. This is the start of human reproduction. This union, known as fertilization, is the very foundation upon which a new life is built. It is a microscopic event, yet it holds the potential for an entire human being to develop. The journey from fertilization to birth is a testament to the power and intricacy of nature. It is a story of remarkable transformations, of cells dividing and specializing, of tissues forming and organs developing. In the following sections, we will delve into the fascinating process of human reproduction. We will explore the roles of the male and female reproductive systems, the miracle of fertilization, the development of the embryo and fetus, and finally, the momentous event of childbirth. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of this incredible journey. The image above captures the very beginning of human life. Both the male and female reproductive systems play crucial roles in the miracle of life. Each system is uniquely designed to produce and transport the specialized cells necessary for fertilization. The male reproductive system is responsible for producing sperm, the male gametes. Sperm cells are incredibly small, yet they carry within them half of the genetic material needed to create a new human being. These tiny cells are produced in the testes, two oval-shaped organs located in the scrotum. The scrotum hangs outside the body to maintain the cooler temperature necessary for sperm production. The female reproductive system is a marvel of engineering. It is responsible for producing eggs, the female gametes, and for providing a nurturing environment for a developing fetus. Eggs, much larger than sperm cells, are also carriers of genetic material. They are produced in the ovaries, two almond-shaped organs located in the pelvic cavity. Each month, one of the ovaries releases a mature egg into the fallopian tube, a thin tube that connects the ovary to the uterus. The uterus, a hollow pear-shaped organ, is where a fertilized egg will implant and grow. The journey of a sperm cell to meet an egg is a perilous one, filled with challenges and obstacles. Millions of sperm embark on this journey, but only one will succeed in fertilizing the egg. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm are released into the vagina. From there, they swim through the cervix, the opening of the uterus, and into the fallopian tube. It's a race against time, as sperm can only survive for a few days inside the female reproductive tract. Fertilization typically occurs in the fallopian tube. When a sperm cell successfully penetrates the egg's outer layer, a series of biochemical reactions prevents other sperm from entering. This fusion of the sperm and egg, each carrying half a set of chromosomes, creates a single cell called a zygote. The zygote now contains a full set of chromosomes with DNA from both the mother and father. This moment of fertilization marks the beginning of a new, genetically unique individual. After fertilization, the zygote doesn't just lie dormant in the fallopian tube. It begins to divide rapidly, a process called cleavage. The zygote, now a cluster of cells, travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. This journey takes about 3 to 4 days. As the zygote travels, it continues to divide and eventually forms a hollow ball of cells called a blastocyst. The blastocyst is more than just a cluster of cells. It is differentiated into two distinct parts. The inner cell mass will eventually develop into the embryo, while the outer layer, called the trophoblast, will form the placenta. Upon reaching the uterus, the blastocyst implants itself into the thick, nutrient-rich lining of the uterine wall, a process called implantation. This marks the beginning of pregnancy. The image above demonstrates how the blastocyst burrows itself into the uterine wall, establishing a connection that will nourish and protect the developing embryo.